Hi, today in this video we are going to see pencil grading and how to choose best pencil. Let's go. Drawing pencils are available in many grades, which are mostly 24 grades. Pencil grades tells you how light and dark graphite pencil is. We can keep their quality and divide them into two. One hard pencil, two soft pencils. We will see them in detail. What is B? What is HB? What is F? What is H? B stands for blackness. HB stands for hard black. F stands for fine point. H stands for hard. As we said before, there are 24 grades of pencils and we divided them into two.
12 hard pencil, 12 soft pencil. First we will see 12 harder lighter pencil.
9H, 8H, 7H, 6H, 5H, 4H, 3H, 2H, H, HB, F, and B.
Now we will see 12 softer darker pencil.
2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, 7B, 8B, 9B, 10B, 11B, 12B, and 14B. Although we have 24 grade of pencils, but we are using mostly 14 grades frequently.
Now we will see harder pencil shading and softer pencil shading.
8H, 6H, 4H, 2H, 2H, HB, B, two B, three B, four B, six B, eight B, ten B, 14B, choose right pencil on right place. Where to use which grade pencils? Pencil grades H2, H4, H6, HB, B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 6B, 8B, 9B, 10B and 14B. Which grade pencil we will use for writing and drawing, for sketching and artist work, for lithography and carpentry work. For writing and drawing we will use HB, B and 2B. For sketching and artist work we will use 2B, 3B, 4B, 6B, 8B, 9B, 10B and 14B. For lithography and carpentry work we will use H, 2H, 4H and 6H. Finally, we hope you know all about pencil grading and how to choose grading and where to use it. Thanks for watching.